All right, guys, so this website is Fran's Glitter and More. They also have a code for a new for new people off your first order. Their website's not too bad. They do have different kinds of pictures. I really hope they change them all over to this one. This is one super cute, pleasing to the eye, but it's also really easy to tell the different kinds of, like the different color shift. Love it. I'm a fan. So I do have an idea on my in mind of what I'm looking for. One thing that I hate companies doing is when they have a featured product and it's sold out. You should, like, I would prefer they swap it out. I'm like, man, I really like that. Oh, damn, it's sold out. Oh, sorry. Pardon my language. Oops, it's sold out. So I'm going to take a peek around, see kind of what they got. It looks like they have alcohol inks and easy marble, which I'm going to take a look at. And then I'll let you know how I like shopping. All right, guys, so I was a little disappointed. They had one mica and one ink, and most of their molds were sold out. I am pretty interested in like some of their micas that they have. They have products, which is everything, in collections, which is a little confusing, but not a big deal. So now I kind of know what I'm looking for on their site. They have good prices. They have really good photos. I'm a huge fan of whatever. It looks like these are their new photos. 100% here for it. Really, really like it. Excuse me. I'm going to keep kind of taking a look around, show you guys what I see. Again, I always love good descriptions. I love that they have photo info, buyer responsibility, once purchased, weight can vary. They really cover their bases here. The only thing that they don't do is give the kind of glitter it is. Is it iridescent? Is it metallic? Is it holographic? I mean, I wish they did that, but I mean, not a big deal. This is $3.75 sold in shakers. I'm a fan. I'm going to go ahead. I'm probably going to purchase a little bit more than I have from the other two companies that I purchased from today. I may not post these videos all as one video. I might. I haven't decided. But I'm definitely going to take a look around, kind of see what she's got going on. Ooh, they have... Ooh. Okay, hang on. I might actually... Ooh, this is really pretty. Sorry, guys. I got a little distracted. I was going to turn the camera off, but I really like this. This is gorgeous. It's called Chunky Espresso Shot. It is really pretty. I'm gonna buy that. Well, that wasn't what I was looking for, but that's really pretty. Again, the photos are just so nice. I cannot say enough about how much I like these ones where they're in the circle with her little logo on them. One, they're very, very pleasing to the eye. I really, really like it. I am enjoying scrolling through her website. Ooh, I'm going to look at this one too. They're just, clearly I'm enjoying this website because that's not my typical response when I am scrolling glitter websites. Guys, I scroll glitter websites like it's nobody's business. These are really, really good photos. If other glitter companies are listening, I love these photos, and so will a lot of your customers. This is really good. I'm here for it. It's so pretty. That's $7 for 2 ounces, which, I mean, it's a little bit more than the other one, but I mean, it is what it is. It shows that there's a discount. It says Christmas in July, but it's the same price. So I'm not really sure what's up with that. I'll probably send her an email just because I'm curious what that meant. Maybe her thing is glitching. It's not a big deal. Ooh, she has ultrafine. Let's take a look at ultrafine. Again, normally I would just shop, but I'm really enjoying this website, so I think I will take a look at it. Her ultrafine, she doesn't have very many of them. I'm going to take a look at this Winter Wonderland. And, oh my gosh, I love her even more. She has her white on a white and a black background. Please take more photos like this. Please take more photos like this. If you see my review, please take more photos like this. Please take more photos like this. I know I just said it a bunch, but so it looks like I'm going to buy white mica and at least 4 glitters. I'm going to go back and look at, my husband might divorce me, but it's fine. Let's take a look and see. I'm going to take one more gander down her finds, see what I see, because I already looked at her chunkies. Let's see if I like anything else. Ooh, that's a really pretty yellow, but I just bought another yellow. Let's see what she's got. The only other thing I wish is that I could filter out the sold out, because that would be nice. Let's take a look. Okay, we're going to come back to this page. Ooh. I'm not going to like this texture. I already know that I'm not going to like this texture. I have other glitters that are like this, and I don't like this color. I don't like that texture, so I'm not going to buy it. However, this one does say this is a solid white, no color shift, so if you're looking for one, you can give Merlin a try. I'm not going to purchase it, though, because I already know that I'm not going to like the texture of it just from that close-up that she had. Ooh, Jack Frost is pretty. Let's take a look. Yes, please. This looks like it would be a really pretty cheat glitter. Looks like a opal. Okay, my husband, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's just buy one. How many are we at? We're at $29. It says I wonder if it's just not changing the price. I think her coding is off on, I think maybe there might be an issue with her. I think this is a Shopify site. She might be having issues with the way her thing is displaying because it's saying I'm saving money, but it doesn't show it. Okay, we're gonna look at Polar Express too. This one says white with purple and pink opal undertones. So, oh, that's pretty. She shows it under it looks like epoxy. Am I gonna buy? We'll add it to the cart. We'll take a look in a second. So I have Polar Express and I have Jack Frost. And I have Winter Wonderland. We're going to take off Winter Wonderland. We're going to go with Jack Frost and Polar Express. And I'm going to go ahead and take off Princess Peach. And we're just going to do 2 chunkies, 2 fines, and a mica. My total is $23.35. So I'm going to go ahead and check out. And I'll give you a review of my checkout process. Okay, so I shopped a little bit more than I said I was going to, like I mentioned. I wound up getting 1 mica, 1, 2, 3, 4 chunkies, 2 fines, and 3 phone grips. And I wound up spending about $38, which, I wound up spending like $38, which, I mean, I'm fine with. Shipping was only $8. It wasn't a big deal. These are all 2 ounces in shakers, so those are actually pretty good prices. I'm pretty happy with it. I hope that her delivery and customer service is as good as her website. I liked the experience, so we'll see. All right, guys, so I ordered from Fran's on the 4th of July at about 5 p.m. It was shipped out on Tuesday. I got the notification for the shipping, and it arrived today at noon. Kind of a longer turnaround time, but there was a holiday weekend, so I'm not super upset about it. This is the packaging I got it in. I did order 6 glitters, 1 mica, and some pop sockets. So I was hoping for a little bit more robust packaging, but it's not that big of a deal. So we're going to go ahead and open it up. I've pulled up my invoice on my iPad, and we're going to go ahead and open this up. Let's see what it is. All right. I'm very excited. As I mentioned before, Fran is going to get her very own, if it turns out as well as I hope it will, because I was very impressed. I'm going to review her independently of the other people that I ordered with. Okay, so it looks like I do have my tracking, or I have a packing slip. I send invoices with mine, and most people send packing lists, which isn't a big deal. I'm just going to fold this backwards so you guys can't see my address. Alrighty.
I do like that they sign off.
I do too. These are really, really pretty. It looks like she changed shaker bottles, which isn't a big deal. I don't really care. And this one doesn't have a label, which I wish it did. Let's see what we got. So it looks like we do have all of them. Tara, will you give me a white sheet of paper so I can review these? So I got these heart pop sockets because my sister wants me to make her some pop sockets. So I'm really excited about that. I'm just checking to make sure they're all intact. They are. So this will be really exciting.
Those are cute too.
They're super cute. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and show off the glitter. All right, guys, so the first one I'm gonna show you is this chunky espresso, or it's a espresso shot chunky, but in the bottle it looks fine. So let's see how it looks. It's sealed, which is nice.
Do you want me to unseal these?
Yes, please. Okay, this is really pretty.
Ooh, is it a mix?
It is a chunky mix. It's like it looks fine in the bottle. That is so pretty.
So all of these are sealed. I am just going ahead and unsealing them for Becca.
All right, so the next one we're going to take a look at is Polar Express. I have two whites. I have Jack Frost, which is more of an opal, and then I have Polar Express. So let's take a look. This one still has its seal on it. It's okay. I do really like that these come sealed like this, but look at that. Let's get that out. Ooh. That is
pretty.
Really pretty. It has some purple and looks like blue undertones. This is really pretty. Really happy with this one. Next we have Sweet Tart, which is a purple chunky mix. I do like this lid style over the other style. I'm not dumping out as much. It looks like it has some opal, blues, purples. This is really pretty, you guys.
Especially with the chunky style.
I really like that. All right, we have Hello Fall, which is a hollow fine. It is so pretty. Now, I have an obsession with Copper Goddess from Pink Crafts Panda, and this looks very similar.
Mm-hmm.
This is really pretty. Let's see if I can get some movement there for you. There you go. That is really pretty. This is more red than Copper Goddess, but it's just different. I like it though. All right, and then this is Copper Rose, which is a chunky. I'm not sure how I feel about it. Okay. This has some green undertones when it comes out. But it's really pretty. That's really pretty. All right, the last one that I have is this Jack Frost, which is similar to the other white one I got, but this one looks like it has more like teal undertones and pink, as opposed to the purple and blue. It's got some purple in there too, but it's lighter. There's that pink I'm talking about. As you can see, it shifts. This one's so pretty. Oh, I really like this one. All right, guys, so out of the 6 glitters, if I had to pick a favorite, I'm gonna go with Jack Frost, which is an opal, and probably, as much as I didn't like it in the shaker, I'm gonna have to go with Copper Rose. These two are probably my favorite. I loved them all, like, don't get me wrong. It's not like I don't like any of them, or like those are the only 2 I do like, but I really, truly do like them all. The only one I didn't show you guys was this mica. This is really hard to show. It's just a really nice powder. It comes in a jar with a little scoop. So I really like that. I got the 3 pop sockets. All in all, I spent $37.88, 8 of which was shipping. So the glitters were about, well, I did buy them on sale. The mica was $1.75. The glitters were $4 to the most expensive one I bought was the Copper Rose Chunky, and it was $7.10. All in all, I was really happy with it. The pop sockets were $1. So if I had to rate her company between the website, which was a joy, which you'll see in my other parts of the video, the website was amazing. I loved the website, and the glitters themselves, those are both 5 out of 5. I loved them. Packaging is probably like a 3 out of 5. I mean, there's nothing wrong with the packaging. The thing was, my glitter was packed really tightly, and actually I'm gonna give her a 4 out of 5 because I forgot her glitters were sealed. They had that that heat seal on top of them, so that was really, really nice. I just wish her packaging was a little bit better. It would have been easy for them to have gotten damaged in the bubble mailer. But other than that, I really loved the experience. So if you haven't checked out Fran's, you should. By the way, this is not a sponsored video. She doesn't know that I'm reviewing it. Someone in my group told me to try her out, and I really loved her website. So she's getting her own review just off of the website alone. But her glitter, totally worth it. I'll be ordering more.